Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio from a Honda's so-called Honda Fit 2008 to 2013 generation, and this one is 2008 MY 209 Honda ZA. And to remove the head unit over here is very simple too. We need is a plastic trim removal tool and the 8mm socket. Get it long enough as you can, bridging it and get it long enough, about 25 centimeter long should be fine. Now what we do is at first we start getting the plastic cover underneath here. Okay, so what you do is look at this cover is under here before, and it just the clip, okay, 3 clip. So slide your plastic trim removal tool at this section and pull it out, and this cover will come out straight away. Okay, easy. After that, what you want to do is you pop out the glove box. You can bend just even one hand. You can push it a little bit to the right side, and this one open, and it will open on both sides. So look down here, you see one 8mm screw. Okay, so that is the one over there. Yeah, that is the one. Okay. So what you want to do is there's one hole down here, which is this hole. Okay, and that is to slide the 8mm socket into that, and then you see from here